This song is called Motherfucking Birds. Birds! Motherfucking birds! Motherfucking birds! Flying around all day. It looks like hard work, but it's not. 'Cause I'm really light. And I fly really easily. Just a flap here and a flap there. But learning when I was little was hella hard. Moms pushed me out the nest. I fell. I thought I was gonna die, but I landed on a pile of leaves. It was like soft and fluffy, like a trampoline, like a little bird, motherfucking trampoline. A little soft and fluffy bird trampoline. So I'm flying high above all you motherfuckers. Sometimes I try to drop a deuce on you, but that shit is way harder than it looks. So if you ever get tagged by some bird shit, don't get mad. We try all the time. My boy Freddie, he been trying to deuce on people for like 6 years. He just hit his first the other day. It was a little kid. That makes it even harder, babe, to drop deuces on your ass. Cars are a lot easier to drop deuces on. They're a lot bigger, but moving targets are hard. So again, if you're driving your car and you get deuced on, don't trip. That shit is hard. So I'm fucking flying up in the air. Sometimes I take a break. Cause my legs get cold. And then I bring one up next to me. So I'm standing on one leg. And it looks like I only have one leg. But I have two. Cause that second one, like I said before, is hiding up by my little bird belly. And keeping warm with my little bird feathers. Motherfucking birds. A question was asked, do birds have sex? Yeah, I get my sex on every once in a while. If the other bird is game, no pun intended. It's so easy to be a bird. You just float around and do some things and sometimes have sex. The one thing I will say that's difficult about being a bird is building nests. You ever looked at a nest, motherfucker? There's a bunch of twigs and cigarette butts and different things like that. There's like 1,000. We gotta go fly around and pick up a motherfucking 1,000 twigs one at a time and bring them up and package them all carefully to make a fucking nest. Mother birds. It's been Motherfucking Birds by Peter Reilly.